Hi, today we are going to talk about radar cruise control for Lexus. The model I'm driving is the RX300 F-Sport model. I did have a video about the radar cruise control for Alpha and Wildfire. To know more about it, you can click the link here. Before we start, we change the display first. This is the radar ready display. The control is on your right hand side of your steering wheel. The operation is the same with the Alpha or Wildfire. On, off, increase, decrease. You push once and hold, it will increase every 5 km/h. Same goes to going down. To cancel, is either step on brakes or pull it towards you. For example, when you are cruising about 50 km/h and you turn it on, then you press set. Then it will cruise at 50 km/h. But when the car at the front slow down, it will slow down itself. To set the distance is this button. This is to set the distance between the car at the front and your car. And lane wash is this button. You can turn it on or off. Okay, let's start. Now I'm on 60. Turn on and set. So the distance, I set it further, is 3, 2, or 1. Okay, 3. To speed up, now it set 64. So I push up once, 65, 66. Push and hold, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. And this is the lane wash. The radar cruise control with lane travel assist, it doesn't mean that you can just lift your hand without holding the steering. It might assist you a little bit. It shows there's a car at the front. Oh, you need to hold the steering. Okay. So the car at the front. Okay, I want to set it nearer to the car. Now it's 3. Set it 2, 1. Okay. You go nearer. So even though I set my limit to 90, you follow the speed at the front. To cancel, is either brakes or pull this towards you. Okay, I press cancel. So it said radar ready. So to set the new speed again, I want to set it to like, okay, now it's 55 set. So it will become like, okay, 55 now. Increase the speed again. Why not I just increase to 100? Now my speed limit is 100. Press the brake to cancel. To resume, not press down. Down is set. To resume is up. If you resume up, you go back to the limit you set just now. Okay, I cancel again. If you press down, it's set. Now I'm on below 60. I press set. So you set a new limit. I increase back to 100. I'm resting my foot. It will auto increase or decrease, depends on the traffic at the front. How about approaching the traffic light? When approaching the traffic light, when a car stops, it will stop itself. I set 100, but when the car is stopped, it will stop. And we will come up with one word, waiting. You said waiting. What happens when it says waiting and you are pushing the throttle? Let me push. You move further, stop again. I'm waiting again. Okay, when the car at the front move, it asks you to move. So you have to press resume. Not press, just flip to resume. It's either flip to resume or press the pedal. And now he's following. The model I'm driving now is the S-Sport model. So how about the non-S-Sport model? Come, I'll show you. This is the non-S-Sport model. The meter is slightly different. But the display for cruise control are almost the same. And the operation are the same. On, off, up, down, distance, lane wash. Okay, that's all. Thank you.